हे गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू द अनदर एपिसोड ऑफ एपिक कॉन्क्वेस्ट 2। तो यार पिछली बार हमने उस जाइंट टस्क को हरा दिया था और अब हमें उस ब्लैकस्मिथ के घर जाना है। तो चलो यार उसके घर पे चलते फटाफट से और देखते हैं वो हमें कोई सी न्यू स्वॉर्ड देती है या फिर और कुछ भी। तो चलो यार चेकआउट कर लेते एक बार। आ गए तो फिर हम लोग अभी। Really Nina, it's just my usual material hunting. There's nothing to worry about. See, I am perfectly fine. No bruises, no wounds. कैसे होगा? हमने तो लड़ाई की है. Good things. Claire is caught up with you. Hey, I can still do it without her help. Yeah. हम लोग आ गए अब. Hey Clarice, what took you so long? Clarice, welcome to our shop. This place sure has a lot of cool weapons. Of course, after all, they are crafted by the greatest blacksmith. बहुत ज़्यादा घमंड लग रहा है इसको. So, what do you have for me, Jessie? Straight to the point, huh? I will have to deal with more trouble if I don't hurry. See, Nina, you are just causing her more trouble. That won't happen if you are not that reckless. But don't worry, Clarice. We have already prepared something for you. अब क्या हुआ? I think I left it upstairs. I will get it for you. Okay, तो फिर क्या मिलेगा हमको? So Clarice, have you ever thought of giving your equipment an upgrade? I did like to, but I am too broke. No problem. Just bring me the materials. I have special price for you. You know, strength and willpower alone are not enough to tackle tougher enemies. With better equipment, I am sure you will become an elite knight in no time. You are right. Maybe I should start saving up. Thanks, Jessie. You are welcome. Just find me whenever you need an upgrade. I will gladly help. Nina sure takes her time. I bet she already forgot about it. Just go upstairs if you want. It's Nina Alchemy Shop, and don't forget to take the gift. Okay. तो चलो अभी नीना की शॉप में जाके देखते हैं कि क्या होता है. सॉरी वो नीना ही है ना. नीना. देखते हैं हमें अभी क्या मिलने वाला है. चलो यार देखते हैं इधर किधर क्या है इधर. अरे दरवाज़ा इधर है. ये पहले बॉक्स में क्या है देखे तो वो कुछ है. 5 आयन मिल गए और मैंने एसेंस. ये क्या होता है देखते हैं. इससे बात करके देखते हैं. इससे टॉक करते हैं. डोंट फॉरगेट टू चेक आउट द चेस्ट. वो तो चेक कर लिया. शॉप में क्या है इसके? पोशंस है यार. इसकी तो ज़रूरत है यार हमको, क्योंकि बिना पोशन के ना कुछ नहीं होता. वो लोग ऐसे ही मार देते हमें. सब कुछ ले लेता हूँ. 2 करके ले लेता हूँ. बाद में देख लेंगे और चाहिए होगा तो. बस 3,000 ही रुपये बाकी है हमें हमारे पास. और भी कुछ है अभी इधर देखते हैं. बाहर निकलने का रास्ता ही है. इससे बात करें. गुड डे माय लेडी. एवरीथिंग इज़ इन ऑर्डर. अब देखते हैं हमें अभी जाना किधर है. इधर जाना है हमें. उधर मेन जगह पे जाना है, वो जहाँ से हमें फर्स्ट ऑब्जेक्टिव मिला था अपना. तो चलो उधर पे फटाफट चल लेते हैं. द वेदर इज़ नाइस टुडे. डोंट वरी लेडी, एवरीथिंग इज़ इंडोर. देखो यार ये लोग भी भूती है. देखो पता नहीं इधर हम भूत है या फिर बाकी लोग भूत है या फिर नाइट्स कुछ अलग ही पावर है इनमें. ये कौन है? आप देखते हैं कौन है ये. वैसे तो कोई बड़ी ऑफिसर लग रही है. वाइस कमांडर लुइस हियर. शी कुडंट हैव पॉसिबली नोटिस गाइस. जस्ट वॉक नॉर्मली चल रही है. आई हियर देयर वॉज ए रूकी गोइंग आउट टू सेल प्लेन्स विदाउट परमिशन टुडे. रियली व्हाट अ बैड रूकी. मैं खुद ही और everybody knows that rookies are not allowed to do that. The witness said it was a female knight wielding a great sword. What a coincidence. यार ये क्या है? Just admit it, Clarice. लगता है इन्हें मालूम पड़े कि हम ही है वो. I'm sorry. Yes, it was me. But that girl, I really needed help. If I didn't. So not only you went out without permission, but you also took a direct request That's two rules violated in a single day. But what's wrong with helping people? Isn't that why we have this job in the first place? Besides, I am not as weak as you think. I just defeated a great boar by myself. Isn't it about time I get promoted? You what? ये इसको क्या हुआ? Fighting a B rank beast on your own. Then that makes it 3. You are in so trouble, Clarice. So stubborn and impulsive. She is just like him. मतलब समझा नहीं मैं. Do you realize how hard Bella is pushing herself lately? Oh, Bella इसकी बहन. How could I know? She never comes home. That can't be helped, right? Bella has dedicated her whole life for this. Okay. Even though she is a Magi, she wants to help protect people with her power. But she is just writing those notes all day. What's so hard about that? The oracle's note is not all about her foreseeing the future. With that note, we have the advantage of knowing the unseen threat behind every mission. So we can classify each mission's difficulty, know how many nights are needed and how to prevent the worst outcome. It's a miracle that haven't existed yet years ago. Before that, we didn't even know what dangers awaits us. I have been countless of my comrades getting killed in their missions. That's why we can't let you rookies take unofficial missions. Its difficulty is not yet classified. In the end, it's all of your safety. We are responsible for your life. Okay, तो फिर please understand that there's reason behind every and don't do such reckless thing anymore. Even Bella doesn't get enough sleep to keep up with those missions that keep coming every day. I will have you suspended for 3 days. You are not allowed to take any mission until then. And please reflect upon your actions. Understood? ओ यार हमें सीधा मिशन हमें 3 दिन के लिए सस्पेंड कर दिया है. I don't know what's right anymore. It's already this late. I should head home and call it a day. They must be waiting for me. ओह यार इधर तो गड़बड़ी हो गई है. एक तो हम लोग लेट हो गए, हम 3 दिन के लिए सस्पेंड हो गए और साथ ही साथ उसने हमारी अच्छी की बात की लेकिन सस्पेंड भी तो कर दिया. तो यार रात हो चुकी है अभी. इधर बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है रात का टाइम. चलो यार वॉकिंग कर रही है लगता है ये और घर पे जा रही है अपने. हम लोग को भी घर देखने को मिलेगा अपना. ओ यार कितना मस्त देख रहे हो नज़ारा. देखो यार कितना मस्त है. लगता है ये है हमारा घर. चलो यार तो फिर जाके देखते घर में. ओ आ गए हम लोग. आई एम होम. Welcome home, Clarice. Is everyone upstairs? Yeah, I am about to cook something for them, but I don't think we have enough ingredients for everyone. I asked Lulu to buy groceries this morning, but she lost the money. ये my hard-earned money. कितने मेहनत से पैसे कमाती है. Sorry, guess we have to make do with what we have tonight. Well, next time tell her to be more careful. It's clear. एक मिनट अब कौन आ गया. अब कौन. ओ ये बच्चे. Clarice, tell us about your mission today. Clarice, Tommy picked on me all the day. Please call him. Clarice, read a bedtime story to me. I can't sleep. Clarice, did you get Bella to come home tonight? ओह इतने सारे बच्चे क्लैरिस को क्या क्या करने की बोल रहे हैं. Take it slowly, guys. She is confused. My missions today was quite tough. I had to deal with so many demons to protect the people. But of course, a mere demon couldn't stop me. With my incredible sport technique, I defeated every last one of them. और वो टस्क के बारे में बता. That's so cool. You are like a hero. I can't wait for tomorrow training. I will wake you up earlier than ever. Can I join your training too? Sure, Lulu. Why not? इसका लुलू क्या लुलू? Every time छोड़ो. I said that a weak girl like me only needs to stay at home. Hey, that means he doesn't want you to get hurt, Lulu. But I want to be a knight too. So you want to follow my steps? Okay, you did better wake up early tomorrow. Yeah, no way. यार ये बच्चों में क्या झगड़ा चल रहा है? ये बच्चे झगड़ा करते रहते हैं. How about Bella? She is super busy as always. I miss Bella. Don't worry, I promise I will bring her home next time. You already said that too many times, but I am sure Bella is doing her best to protect everyone. You bet. Clarice, read a bedtime story to you. Right, Dia, let's do that after we have dinner. Smiles. Right. Speaking of dinner, I got a present when I saved the villager. ओह हाँ, विलेजर ने हमें पोटैटोज दिए थे ना. Look like we are having a feast tonight. Hey you kids, stay upstairs. Clarice and I will be busy. Kids, you are only 2 months older than me. If you stay here, no dinner for you. Lame unfair. क्या चल रहा है यार इधर? ओह तो फिर अभी ये खाना बना रही है. So what's the bad news? You look uglier than usual. I got suspended again for 3 days. Haha, I am not even surprised by now. Well, take the time to rest. You have been working hard every day, but money doesn't come out of nowhere lying. You worry too much, Clarice. We have been through worse days back in the slums, right? Good thing Bella became an important person. We can live in this big house. You are right. Just leave the food problem to me. I will take care of it. Thanks, Lime. You can always count on me. But still seeing your happy faces only makes me want to push myself even harder. I will do my best to become a regular knight and get assigned to A rank missions with plenty of rewards. Then we can have a feast like every day. Haha, you talk big for someone who doesn't follow the rules. No, you too, Lane. The food is ready. Can you help me serve this? I will go upstairs and call them. Leave it to me. यार वैसे तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छी लाइन बोली इसने, क्लैरिस ने, कि अपने आप को पुश करते रहेगी हार्डर, मैं जितना हो सके अपनी लिमिट्स को. अब ये क्या हो रहा है? सो हाउ इज इट? मेल डेमोन. ये डेमोन है? ओ भाई गॉड, ओ माय गॉड, ओ माय गॉड. यार ये क्या है यार? ये है क्या? नॉट इवन द स्लाइटेस्ट ट्रेस ऑफ हर माना. टस्क. हाउ कुड शी हाइड हर प्रेजेंस फॉर दिस लॉन्ग? जस्ट गिव अप ऑलरेडी. इट्स बीन 7 years विदाउट एनी रिजल्ट. शी इज प्रोबेबली डेड बाय नाउ. वी कांट रिटर्न टू आवर वर्ल्ड एम्प्टी हैंडेड. इनका दूसरा वर्ल्ड है. 3 more years until the next blood eclipse. I won't give up until then. So what's your plan? Don't ask me. You do all the brain work. Today's thoughts. That kid couldn't possibly hide her presence with some sorts of mana manipulations. It's my expertise. I can guarantee that a 98-year-old kid is not capable of performing such high-level spell. 98 level? क्या है? That only means either she is dead or she is in a deep slumber. She is not dead yet. Say okay, then it's later. What should we do now? The problem is where to find her. I have lived in the capital for years and I never came across her presence. अरे कहीं ये उस लड़की की बात तो नहीं कर रहे ना जो शुरुआत में दिखाई गई थी? क्या मालूम. द प्रॉब्लम इज वेयर टू फाइंड हेयर. आई हैव लिव्ड इन द कैपिटल फॉर ईयर्स एंड आई नेवर केम अक्रॉस हर प्रेजेंस. I highly doubt she is in the capital. Should we go somewhere else? ये क्या हो रहा है यार? Hey, what are you doing? If you release that much power, my spell won't be able to hold it. And once my spell breaks, that witch they call the Oracle will surely spot us. From what I have heard, she has incredible mana detection and she can foresee the future. Maybe we can use that witch to find her. Hey, not a bad idea coming from you. Then let's do it quickly. Those humans defeated Lord Marbas and remembers it's better not to understand them. यार ये लोग डेमन्स है और हमको फर्स्ट लेट्स टेस्ट देयर स्ट्रेंथ। ओ यार ये तो जादू कर रहे यार। हे भाई, isn't this thing too weak? इसको वीक बोल रहे हो? He is still far strong than any demons around here and we must gather every information about them. I am not going to make a bold move until we have a high success rate. Just do as you wish. Just don't forget to set a stage for me. Sure, brother. So भाई, your task is simple. Wreak havoc to your heart content. ओ यार ये कितना खतरनाक है यार, कितना खतरनाक है। हट यार, डेंजर। मैं पागल हो जाऊंगा। ओके, व्हाट शुड आई डू टुडे? देयर्स नॉट सो मच डू ऑन माई डे ऑफ। इट्स एक्चुअली वर्क्स देन अ बोरिंग मिशन। अब ओ ये बच्चा क्या बोल रहा है? क्लैरिस, टीच मी मोर अबाउट स्वॉर्ड टेक्निक बट प्लीज डोंट लेट लुलू नो। ये लोग अकेले ही सब कुछ सुनना चाहते हैं। हे क्लैरिस, योर फ्रेंड्स आर हियर कमिंग। डोंट दे नो आई गॉट सस्पेंडेड? देखते हैं कौन से फ्रेंड्स आए हमारे, बाहर जाके देखते हैं। ओह ये लोग हैं। अरे सामने से बात करेंगे ना। सो व्हाट ब्रिंग्स यू टू हियर? इज समथिंग द मैटर? आई हैव heard it from Commander Luisa. You were doing something dangerous, huh? Well, that's things happen and I ended up in a dangerous situation by coincidence. Don't give me that. I know you are totally aware of what you are doing. But look, I am perfectly fine. I am stronger than you think, Erika. You might get badly injured if you keep doing this. Please don't do such reckless things. She's been worried sick since we heard the story from Commander. If only you could see her worried face. Shut up, Will. Sorry guys, I will be more careful next time. You better be, or you will miss another admission. एक मिनट, एक और admission? What do you say? They just announced it this morning. Apparently Bella foresee an unusual demon behavior at Southern Seal region. It's as if they are being controlled by a greater being. She said that it could be a powerful demon hiding its presence. Therefore, this mission is ranked A. Somehow they allow us rookie to take part in this raid as well. Though we are still not allowed to engage in the front line. We can't miss a mission this rare. It's currently a great opportunity for our promotion by but you are suspended, remember? Do you think they will let you join the raid? But this one is a rare occasion. There must be an acceptation. I am not sure, but good luck. You better talk to Commander Luisa herself. We are going now. See you later. Yeah, take care. Bye, Clarice. ओ यार एक और मिशन आ गया, लेकिन वो हमारे लिए नहीं है। तो यार अभी वो हम लोग अगला मिशन लेंगे अगले एपिसोड में। तो यार आज के लिए बस इतना ही। अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो लाइक मारो, और अगर नए हो तो सब्सक्राइब करो चैनल को, ताकि क्योंकि मैं ऐसी एनिमे गेम्स लाता रहता हूँ। और हाँ, अगर एनिमे फैंस हो तो यार ज़रूर तुम्हें मेरी वीडियोस अच्छी लगेगी। तो यार चलो, तब तक के लिए बाय बाय, मिलते हैं अपने अगले वीडियो में।